Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Today what I want to do is a little give back to all you guys to say thank you so much for supporting me and thank you for being subscribers. You're absolutely amazing and your support means a lot. So today I want to do a giveaway. Inside this box is packed, cram-packed full of fun things. And we'll go through what the rules of this competition are at the very end. But I'm so excited to show you guys what's inside this parcel box. We have a ton. Look how filled this box is. Oh, we have a ton of things inside this box. Let me see if I can get this box to stand as we go through everything that we have. So the first thing we have are these gorgeous rose gold glitter nail files. It's a pack of 4. They are super shimmery and shiny and they've got the abrasive sides on the back. Some are more abrasive than the others, so you have more coarse going up into a finer nail file. So you're getting this stunning pack of 4 nail files. We also have this very, very fun light up keychain. You can write your own message on it. All of your letters and numbers are in the back. Super cute. I love the fact that it's a keychain. So you can put it on your keys, you can put it on your bag. So cute and so fun. The next thing we have is this strawberry ballerina lip gloss. These are so cute and really, really adorable. The next thing we have is a squishy. Great for stress reliever. It did not come with a keychain, but you can attach it to your keys if you wanted to have it handy, or you want to have it somewhere on your backpack or your handbag. So super fun ice cream squishy. We'll pop it here. It does not sit up. That's fine. The next thing we have, okay, the next thing we have are some makeup items. These little items came from an advent calendar and I won't use them. And I thought that what better way to use them than to pop them in to a giveaway. So we have our little eyeshadow applicator, brand new. We have a gorgeous black Glamza eyeliner. This is in dark charcoal. We have 2 little hair scrunchies, both in pink. Guys, a quick tip with these hair scrunchies. Sometimes these get bent out of shape. When they do, the best thing to do is pop them in some hot water, let the water cool down, and then pop them back out again and let them dry. They bounce right back into shape, which I think is amazing. I have tried that little tip and it does work. We have another little Glamza nail file. So cute in this gold and white. And we have a little eye pencil sharpener. So you can sharpen your little eye pencil. I'm going to pop these all back into the bag because I don't want to lose any of them, but super fun and cute. The next couple of items we have are these, oh, we're getting some fallout here. The next couple of items we have are these cute dinosaur bath fizzers. We have them in yellow and in white. Cute. We have 2 gift sets. One is this fresh rose hand cream and nail file in, again, gorgeous rose pink color, and you get your hand cream right here. The next little gift set we have are the fresh rose bath salts with real petals. We have vanilla face mask. So you're getting 2 items in this super cute little gift set, and we'll pop that right there. We have this gorgeous pink rose massaging soap, and I will open that and let you guys see what it's like. It is completely sealed inside, so I don't mind opening this. The packaging on this this soap is adorable. So this is our massaging soap. It's got these little nodules, so when you rub it around your skin, you're getting a massage as well. The rose scent is delicious. So you're getting that cute pink petals, pink rose massaging soap. The next 2 little items we're getting, the next 2 items we're getting are 2, let's put it to the top. This did not help me at all, are these super fun bottle stoppers. One says dinner is poured and the other is why limit happy to an hour. So these are your wine stoppers. So if you don't want your wine spoiling, you can put these little toppers in the top, pop it back in your fridge or on your counter and keep it fresh. The next little item is, I'm just going to pull these right here. The next little item is this gorgeous sparkly unicorn keychain. And this is one of the keychains that you can, or one of the little sequences that you can pop up and down. Both colors on this little unicorn are the same, but it is so fun and relaxing, very satisfying. So super cute and adorable, and you can almost see me in the sequence. So adorable little keychain. The next thing that we have are these little toe separators to do your toenail polish. These also came from it actually came from the same advent calendar that we got the little makeup items from. So super cute, also adorable. I'm going to leave this one just to the very end. And then the next item we have, I think this is gorgeous. It's this pink fizz bath confetti, which is all here, and bath fizzers. So you're getting 2, 4, 6, 7, I think 7 bath fizzers in this gorgeous little plastic cup. Comes with this super cute pink bow and is adorable for regifting. So if you don't like bath fizzers, I do not know why, or bath confetti, these items can all be regifted as little gifts to other people for birthdays, or Valentine's Day, which is in 2 months' time. So adorable. The last thing that we have, I think, is my favorite item, or it comes with a couple of items. So let me just pop this box right over here and I'll show you what we've got. So guys, this is a little nail polish holder. It has 10 slots, I think, maybe 12 slots, which is amazing. But you're getting with this 6, 2, 4, 6, 8 nail polishes. It comes with the cuticle stick, and that's a little lip liner pencil. We'll pop that over there. And this tape. So if you wanted to tape off your nails and do different colors, you can do that. If you want to do one color and then have white stripes or see-through stripes, you can do that with this little tape. It's almost like washi tape, but great for doing patterns on your nails. So let me run you through the different colors that we have. So we have this gorgeous neutral brown. We have this pearlescent pink, even though it looks white, it is pink. We have this gorgeous, these colors I'm noticing are not as vibrant on screen as they are in real life. This is more like a deepy kind of purple color. We have this gorgeous blue. Let's take out our other 4. We have this gorgeous white, great as a base coat. We have the sparkly glittery silver. We have this stunning iridescent blue nail polish, and we have our gorgeous gold. So guys, let me move everything over so you guys can see what you're going to win if you win this competition. Hopefully we get all the items in. We'll put our little bath fizzers right here, our keychain. We're going to have to double up because I don't know if you guys can see everything. And oh yes, we have our little gorgeous, gorgeous rose gold nail files. So guys, this is everything that you're going to win in the competition. And now we're going to do the boring part. We're going to do the rules. Because the nail polish cannot be sent overseas, guys, this competition is localized to Northern Ireland, England, Scotland, and Wales. So it's open anywhere in the UK. Unfortunately, I'm not able to send a lot of these products overseas because they are liquids and you have some creams here which are all restricted. So definitely localized to the UK. This is going to be opened to the end of January. We need 50 likes on this video. So you need to be a subscriber on my channel and we need to have 50 likes. We'll run it to the end of January And then if we get 50 likes, this will go live. If not, we'll run it to the end of February and see where we go. Guys, good luck. I really want to give this to one lucky winner. I'm so excited. I love giving back to you guys. Your support is means a lot to me. So hopefully one of you guys are my amazing winner. Guys, again, if you're not subscribed to my channel and you're watching this video, please hit that little subscribe button and come join us. We would love to have you here. If you would like to be notified of any future videos, hit that notification bell. And if the comments are not disabled, in the comments section below, leave any comment you like. That would be great. Guys, you need to leave a comment on this video. If you don't leave a comment on the video, I can't pick you as a winner. So definitely leave a comment in the comment section below because that's where I pick the winner from. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I always love making these videos for you and I just hope you enjoy them. Thanks so much for everything and I'm going to catch you in the next video. Take care, everybody. Bye.